Hey guys, today we're gonna learn how to disable startup applications. So if your computer is running slow because of the too many applications that runs automatically when you first turn on your computer. So let's get started. Okay, so you go to your startup menu, you look for system configurations, and then you go into startup tab, open task manager. Now you'll see the applications you have, that if it's enabled or disabled. So let's say this HP message service, I don't want it to run automatically, so it will slow up my computer fire up. Right click on it, disable. That's it. Let's look for something else. Canon quick menu as well. Right click, disable. Here we have iTunes, right click, disabled. And that's it. It won't run, so it will get your computer fire up faster. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel and activate the notifications so we'll get everything as soon as I publish them. Thank you. Have a good day.